Luna has created an extremely bearish pattern, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here, and welcome back to another classic Luna analysis. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. As you guys can see on Luna, I mentioned yesterday, we are still creating this sort of movement upwards, but as of right now, Luna is testing that 29 support level that we mentioned that is going to be very risky if Luna does break that level. Now, there are two things I wanted to mention in this video. Number one is obviously if we can hold the support level, where the next level for Luna is going to be, and number two, this BART formation that's going to be creating on Luna and whether or not it's going to play out. So as of right now in the 4 hour, you can see that exponential averages are moving down and we are pushing lower and lower into the support level at 29. The next support level is going to be around the 27 mark for Luna, but ideally if that level does break, that BART formation is definitely going to be playing out all the way back down to around the 18. Now whether or not we do see a bounce at 22 is going to be the question. We can definitely do something like this in the future, but if that level doesn't hold, as you guys can see, we've already tested that level 3 times now, so ideally that support level probably won't hold the 4th time, is the reason why I'm mentioning not to go any long positions right now on Luna. Until then, obviously from a bullish case scenario, as long as we can hold this 29 level, we are still short-term bullish, but if that 29 is broken, we will definitely be looking for some shorting opportunities to the downside. Now from the bullish case, if we can somehow get above to that 31 level and start finding that support level again, that major level that we retested up here at 39 should be retested, and the overall level around the 50 mark. But again, in my opinion, it's going to take a long time for Luna to actually see that gain, because over here you can see that we had that Binance news to Binance burn, and that what caused this massive move. We saw another fake out right there, and now we're consolidating lower. But overall, it does look quite bearish to me for Luna. And on the lower time frames, it kind of gives you a better analysis of why, right? You can see the support level that I'm talking about a little bit more clear now on the lower time frames. If I go ahead and draw a horizontal line, you'll kind of get the idea of what I'm saying. This is exactly where we are on Luna right now. We are testing the support level multiple times now, and you guys already know a multiple test on the support level usually causes a massive crash. So seeing that hourly support being tested that many times, I would be looking for rather more bearish opportunities rather than longs right now. You don't want to be longing into a support zone, right? If you wanted to long a position, you should have been entering a long position here when the support zone was created. You saw that 4-touch wick and then the move to the upside. Now we retested that level once, we saw that pullback, now we're retesting again, and I don't think that's any area for a long. Now obviously if we do look at it from that perspective, you can see that the overall down movement at the end should be around this level, at the major level of 27.28, and if that level breaks, then the major level obviously for support would be around the 22. Hopefully we see a bounce for Luna Classic, but ideally I don't see that level holding. So be careful when you're trading Luna Classic, because guys, I told you this many times before. When you see a candlestick like this that just goes straight up without any sort of consolidation while it's going up, this is a BART formation. We have seen this play over and over on Bitcoin, and that usually tends to happen straight to the downside. So just keep that in mind, guys. That formation will play out if that support level over here at 27 is broken, and ideally we want to be catching that large move to the downside. So just stay focused and make sure you look for that confirmation. If we do get that confirmation on the support level break and we start seeing that consolidation like we saw over here, that would be an entry for a short position right back down to around the 2020 point mark. That's pretty much all I have for you guys today, though. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.